Just because somebody told you no, just because somebody told you that you can't do something, doesn't mean you should agree with them and you should just lie down and take it because they told you that. Just because they told you you can't doesn't mean you actually can't. Do you know what happens to be the wealthiest place on earth? It just so happens to be the graveyard. Now you probably ask, why is that, Pat? Why is the graveyard the wealthiest place? Because that's where the most potential, that's where the best ideas, the best inventions, the next CEOs, the next big thing on earth, that's where most of those things lie. Why is that? Because most of those individuals were scared of being told no. They were scared of being told that they can't do something. So they didn't share their ideas, they didn't share their inventions with the world. They didn't share, their aspirations with the world. So they took everything to the grave with them, not realizing that whatever their ideas, whatever goals that they had, that could have been the spark to change this world around, to really change everything going on about this world, to really set something off and build a chain reaction to better this place, to better this world. Use the negativity, the doubt, the hate. Use all that to fuel you. Just because somebody told you no, you have the ability to change that no into a yes. Just because somebody told you that you can't, you have the ability to change that can't into a can. And realize when somebody tells you no, and when somebody tells you that you can't, you're even more obligated to do whatever it is that they said you couldn't do. Don't put a cap on your own ceiling. Trust me, I understand what it's like to be doubted. I've been told that I'm not good enough. I've been told that I'm not strong enough. I'm not tall enough. I've been told. I've been doubted. And it used to piss me off. I used to blame those people, those doubters and those haters for the reason why, I'm not achieving my own dreams. Then I realized that's going to come. There's going to be people, they're going to look at me like, oh, he's too small. He can't be an athlete. He can't play no sports. He's too small. There's going to be people who doubt what I want to do. But it's up to me to show them that, hey, I can. It doesn't matter how tall I am. It doesn't matter how talented I am. My work ethic and my ability to outwork anybody in anything is going to show. And I'm going to make everybody eat their words. I'm going to prove everybody wrong. I want you to tell me no. I want you to tell me that I can't do something. Because like I said, then I'm even more obligated to show you that, hey, I can do this. Forget the fact that you said no to me. Forget the fact that you told me that I can't do something. It doesn't matter. Just realize, you saying no, you saying can't, that's lighting the fire under me. Face your fears. Don't let nobody tell you no. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't do something. Use it to motivate you, to show them, hey, remember the time you told me no? Well, look, I'm getting busy now. Remember the time you told me I can't do something? Well, hey, I'm getting busy now. And one day I will show you that I can do what you told me I couldn't do. I will turn you into a yes man after you told me no, after you shunned me down, after you close the door in my face. I guarantee you one day, I'm not going to just knock on the door. I'm going to kick the whole door down. And I'm going to make a believer out of you. I'm going to prove you wrong. Don't let nobody dictate what you can and cannot do. They have no say so. They don't know your full potential. They're not walking in your shoes. Only you can determine if you reach your full potential or not. Don't think that limitations are real. It's just a myth. You can do whatever it is that you want to do, but just realize that there's going to be people who tell you no. There's going to be people who close the door in your face. There's going to be people who tell you that you can't do something. But that doesn't mean that you just lie down and take that. That many people can dictate what you can and cannot do. You're going to allow somebody, a complete stranger, to tell you that you can't do something? You're going to allow a complete stranger to tell you no? You're going to allow a complete stranger to close the door in your face? To put a fake cap on your potential? You're going to let a stranger do that to you? Nah. You're obligated now. They doubted you. You're obligated now. That's your fire right there. Use it. Stay motivated, man. Stay inspired. Even if you feel like the world is against you, it is up to you to make believers out of everybody. It is up to you to make everybody eat their words. If they doubted you, so what? Make believers out of them. Don't go to the graveyard. Don't keep adding to the graveyard. You got potential. You got goals. Some of you got great ideas. I know you do. Don't take all that to the graveyard with you. Put it out there with the world. You never know. What you want to do, the ideas that you have, the inventions you may have, the goals that you have, might just be the spark to really change this world around and make it a better place. You never know.